Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
CM is assured a lot of things on ease of doing business. On Excise also, त्यांच्यानी सांगला की they are coming with the scheme of 5 years licensing आणि एका बरोबर कोणी पे केल्याला ते 4.5 वर्षाचे पेमेंट करून ते घेतले. So that was the Excise thing is concerned. The event front also, there are a lot of issues at each level. ते म्हणला गव्हर्नमेंटान की आम्ही पर्सनली तेका मॉडिफाय करतले wherever required to. Secondly, on the tourism license they केला, त्यांच्यानी they are going to allow for 5 years licensing. So what we are saying is 5 वर्षाचे लायसन्स आसा दितल्यान त्यांनी फी वाडयता म्हणला ते म्हणला ते will consider increase in fee to keep in abeyance for some time. And he has directed Secretary Tourism to look into each segment of the tourism wherever the hurdles are there. As far as charter is concerned, he has already written a letter to Home Minister and personally is going to talk to Civil Aviation Ministry and see that charter announcement is made immediately, because this will help Goa to start the foreign tourists.